Hey, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram. My name is Nikhil.
Namaskaram, everyone. I'm Bani, and I welcome you all to the Sorry TV.
So this morning, while we were reviewing our comments on our review for the teaser called Vikram, if you have not watched it, hit the I button, and you may be able to get to watch it after this video.
Yes.
After this video.
And go to that video.
So we got one recommendation to react on a teaser dropped almost 20 hours back called Master. Official teaser dropped on Sun TV's YouTube official page just maybe 20 hours back and hitting almost 1.7 million views. It's like crazy.
I think everyone was waiting for this movie, basically, the teaser of this movie.
Yes. It is starring Thalapathy Vijay. The music is given by Anirudh
Ravichandran,
and directed and produced by Lokesh Kanagaraj. So, without wasting any time, jumping into the video.
Oh, nice music.
JD is the culprit.
ஒரு வார்த்தைக்கு எங்க இவ்வளவு தைரியம் வந்துச்சு? சரியா ஒண்ணா அது போகட்டே.
They call me master, பட்டங்கள் வரும் faster.
They call me master, changes happen faster.
இவ்ளோ பிரச்சனை பண்ற பையனா பேசாம டிஸ்மிஸ் பண்ணிடலாம்ல. JD ஸ்டூடண்ட் இல்லமா, ப்ரொஃபசர்.
He's smart.
Handsome, yaar. He's doing so handsome. The way he was wearing the glasses.
அந்த வாத்தி ஒரு மாதிரி வண்டிகளை ஓடிட்டே இருக்கான்.
அண்ணா பண்ணு அதிரடி வாத்தி யாரு?
Yeah.
His look. Master. So this master was basically the school master, the Master G.
Yes, the master teacher.
The teacher, the professor, the teacher.
It doesn't state anything that when it is releasing. It is not stating anything like that.
Okay. Maybe it's just a teaser. We have to wait for the official
for
trailer.
the official trailer, then we can able to comment like when it would be released. Oh ho ho! First reaction.
First reaction, he's a tough master, the tough professor basically. I just remember the dialogue that was said, like JD is a troublesome, JD is troublesome, is the culprit, is troublesome, basically we have to investigate him. But then he was saying he's not a student, he's basically the master. So we cannot investigate the master. So all the notorious students staring at this movie, they have to be very careful because he was carrying a baseball bat.
I think no, he would be kind of a pro to the students, like हम जैसे कॉलेज में होते थे, there was a famous teacher that we always
strict teacher. I remember
not a strict teacher, a teacher who was like more with the students. He was like more with the students. He was not strict. It's like if you have seen the movie Gabbar is Back, in that he was a good master. Everyone, Akshay Kumar, everyone was like a follow up on him. So I'm gonna be hoping it's gonna be like similar to it. Not the movie, but the character in it. And what I'm hoping is it's gonna be more like on the front where if there is a political trouble or there is something related to the mishappening in the college premises, like drugs or gundagardi, the goons and everything. So he's gonna take care of it. And I just loved one thing. I'm just gonna play it back. We usually do it in the game. I mean, if you're playing a game, a fighting game, it just comes with the eye view. And you just, if someone is punching you, just comes in front of your eye. So the direction in this is epic. So if you just see this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It was so close. It was so close.
The camera position was really close.
The camera position was like just behind the head, so that it just hit it. And, we have seen movies from Thalapathy Vijay, but we did not know whether it is Thalapathy Vijay because movies come into the North India in a dubbed manner or maybe come in a manner of Bollywood remake, which I do not like it.
Yes.
You like it?
Some few movies basically.
I
I
mean-
like Holiday basically. From Holiday, I came to know that it was already released in South industry.
Similarly,
The
these
Soldier Never Die.
what do you call that?
Wanted, Reddy,
Name-
Arjun Reddy also, the Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh. That got to be a blockbuster movie, but it was not released in a Hindi version. That is the reason they remade it in the Bollywood
and
without
made it
using
in
any creativity in it. Just being.
The character was exactly same.
It was
Exactly.
the scene to
copy.
scene was exactly same. They bought the copyright and everything. It's particularly fine. But if you're remaking a movie in a Hindi version, rather than you dub the original version, deliver it to us so that we can see the original characters
Yes,
who
so we can
actually played in it.
request The makers of Master to
Yeah, please make it in
release
Hindi
the
as well
movie
so that we
also.
guys can watch it.
Yes.
Or we start learning
And then
the
the Bollywood
language.
do not have to make efforts to remake it in Hindi.
There is no efforts. It's like, can I make a movie? I give you some money and a credit of it, and I make it, because there is no creativity in it. It is just like you copy and paste things.
Yeah, like that Excel, Control C, Control V.
Control C and Control V, and you just rename it. You just rename it, and that it is done. Voila, you are earning money. So, do not want to, not against any particular character, but just a friendly request that if anyone from the Master team is watching this, please make a version in Hindi as well, so that the North Indian audience can watch it, because there are good fans, there are good people who want to watch the South Indian movies because of the action, because of the creativity, because of the real mind in it, the real talent
I'll
in
just
it.
ask one question from you. Where do you want to get it released on? The
I just
Amazon
want it to
Prime or
be
like on the
three. I
theatres?
don't want it to be on any of the OTT. I just want it to be in the
Yes,
theaters
yes, yes.
next year so that we watch it on a big
I
screen.
basically want all the movies to release in theaters, like RRR, Master, Vikram.
They would be released in theaters. 2021 gonna be a little bit smoother than 2020. We had a bad year.
Yes,
I'll not call it bad, a challenging year. We learned a lot out of it. Trust me, we learned a lot. It was a slap on our face that this is not how you live for your entire life. So many things fall down, many things came into reality. A
And
big
we're
learning
back
year
on
for
track
2020.
again for 2021.
Yup. And guys, we both from our end wish you a very prosperous and happy Diwali and a new year, coming new year ahead. You be joyous and blissful
And be safe.
throughout the life. Yes.
And yes, please be safe. And
Or-
just pray, go Corona. I just want to pray with you.
Alright guys, this was from the movie Master. Before we cut the video, I mean
Okay.
wrap the video, I just want to dive into the comment section, because the comment section for these official trailers are really interesting.
Yes.
I personally enjoy it. She does it.
Yes.
So let's just jump into it and just read little bit of good comments.
You can read the bad one also.
I'll try not to.
Okay. I just want to know, is there a female cast also in this movie?
Yeah, there was a female cast,
teacher,
Malvika.
I guess.
Yes, she was beautiful. I never miss a woman, trust me. Shit, I said it.
Okay.
Okay, there's a first comment. Okay, he's saying the same thing. It is called Rakesh and Jenny.
Only one request to Master Team. Please don't release this in OK OTT. We want to see only in theatre. Missed Surari put through already. Okay. Maybe there was another hit that we missed.
Right. And guys, just do let us know in the comment section. I mean, if our understanding of the movie is correct, or if you have a different understanding, we will encourage, let the discussion begin downstairs,
Yes.
and we will look at it and comments. Let the discussion start.
Okay, I would like to read one more comment from Swardian King. Didn't understand a single word. Still got goosebumps.
I didn't get the goosebumps, but I was like fascinated to watch it more. The teaser actually teased, because I'll be looking forward for the official trailer for this.
Okay.
The official trailer for this. Alright guys, this is something from Jenny. Did anyone notice Vijay didn't speak a single word in the entire teaser? We didn't notice
We
that.
didn't notice. But
I mean, he
yes,
didn't speak anything, yeah.
he didn't speak anything.
No,
Seriously.
there was
I think
something
in
at the background.
beginning
There was something at
some
the
words-
background. I am the master, the change come faster.
No, that was the music basically. No, that was the background music. That was not a word that came out from Vijay. Oh,
There's another comment from Karikala Chosen.
Chozhan.
I'm
like-
sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrect. It says,
dislike count shows this man have been attractive nowadays.
so this is a sarcastic comment with almost 52 likes, making it 53 likes. Dislike count shows the man is being attractive nowadays. This is so true. Alright guys, if you like reading through the comment section, go through it. This is the best thing. This is on the official
actually
Sun
interesting
TV's
part.
official page.
Yes.
And if you want the nasty things to begin, let's drop your comments downstairs and we will have a good discussion around it.
And if you guys have liked our video, do hit the like button. And to all the subscribers who have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.
This is me, Nikhil, signing off.
This is me, Bani, signing off.
Adios.